Greetings everyone, I'm back with another one of those multi-angle ride videos here for you. I'm gonna ride through the entire ride, show you multiple viewpoints, and on this one, because we have some outdoor portions of great old Splash Mountain, that I'm gonna try to do some of it at night as well, so you guys can kind of see that. Just kind of a comprehensive, you know, take of what it's like to ride this attraction. But yeah, I'm here at Splash Mountain. This is one of my favorites. I absolutely adore this ride, and as I've told many people in the past, I adore it for many reasons, but one of them is because it's my mom's favorite as well. We've had a lot of good times on this one. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
For your safety, just stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the log, and be sure to watch your kids have a ZipADeeDooDah ride.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del banco y cuide a los pequeñitos.
Have a ZipADeeDooDah ride.
How do you do? My best friend, pretty good show come on. Pretty good show come on. How do you do? My best friend, how do you do? Say it with me, how do you do? It's a laughing place for the laughing place. You must be where the fox
Everybody's got a laughing place. Maybe this one is yours. And when you see that old rare rabbit, he sure ain't laughing no more. If you finally found your laughing place, how come you aren't laughing? That rare rabbit, he is.
Well, that's just where you're going.
Well, there you go, everybody. There is a multi-angle point of view from Splash Mountain, a little day and night thrown in there for good measure. Let me know what you think of these down in the comments. I'd love to know if people are really enjoying these. It seemed like you guys enjoyed it for Haunted Mansion Holiday, and I'd love to do some more. So if you have any suggestions or recommendations, please let me know. I also want to send a special shout out to Pumpkin Disney Addict for providing the Splash Mountain decal that you saw on the wallpaper throughout the video. If you want to go and get one for yourself, head on over, there's a link down below, and let her know Jimmy sent you. And, you know, maybe we'll work together in the future, but it's really cool. I love this image. It popped up and I'm like, oh my gosh, we're gonna like partner up with this person. It seems so cool. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out today. Also, a special shout out to all of our patrons for making this possible. You guys are amazing. And until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.